Good.
So here we are using the Artiste machine to infiltrate local anesthetic in a patient who's having a hair transplant procedure. And what's just so nice about using the Artiste is that the pressure is incredibly controlled. So patients, as we see right here, are incredibly comfortable, really having nothing but absolutely no IV anesthesia on board. The patient is tremendously comfortable, and I can infiltrate. I mean, it really couldn't be easier. There's really no pressure. And just to show you for a second, this is the amount that's coming through. That's the rate. And with just a light touch of the foot pedal, we're infiltrating in a very controlled manner, and the patient is incredibly comfortable. And this, for those of you who do procedures under local, can know that this is usually the toughest part. The patients are usually incredibly uncomfortable, but the pressure of the infiltration is so slow that the patient here is comfortable. We're using a 30 gauge needle, but as you will see in some of the other videos, you can use a 32 gauge needle tremendously easy because you are controlling the pressure so well and controlling the flow. As you can see, let's pan to the machine. We're at a setting of 12 to create the flow. And we can ask the patient, do you feel comfortable? Is this hurting? No discomfort? Great. So patients is completely comfortable, and it makes it for a very different experience than from when we're injecting in traditional technique. So as an interesting comparison, I've already done one injection on this side, and okay, and you were doing it on the same side. On a different side, this is a 30 gauge needle going in, and I am known for my gentle touch, but you can see it's just not quite as comfortable as on the other side, as the patient is grimacing and pulling away a little bit, though he's being very brave and doing a great job. So even with the most gentle hands at a very slow rate of injection, you can't quite master as controlled as when we use the Artiste. And I've used similar injection machines to help. The wand is a very commonly known one that uses the carbojets that we use with dental procedures. And the Artiste, because it has the transfer syringe, just makes it a lot easier and a bit faster to fully inject the area. So there we go. I think we've gotten over the hump. But you can't quite make the patients as comfortable as when the injection is controlled, at least flow rate, with the Artiste.